Hello, welcome to Outdoor and Camping Stuff. I'm Snert. Tonight we're going to have a look at the High Gear 1000L COB Powerbank Lantern. Super bright, 360 degree rechargeable lantern. Ideal for lighting indoors of a tent. As you well know, I'm a big fan of the high pressure paraffin lanterns. But you can't use those indoors as they tend to remove all the oxygen and fill the tent full of carbon monoxide, which is not a good idea. So here's a rechargeable one, battery operated. We'll unbox it and see what's in it. Modern packaging, can't get in the box. So we have the lantern itself, set of instructions, and a USB to micro USB lead. It has a handle on the top, so you can carry it around, and the on-off switch here, which illuminates when it's being charged. So under the cover, we've got a DC 5V input and a DC 5V output. The lead that comes with it can be used to charge the device using the USB micro, and you can use this as a power bank so that you can use your device's lead that comes maybe with your mobile phone to plug into the lamp, and the other end to plug into your phone, and you can use it as a charger. Obviously that's going to deplete the battery, but it might get you out of a sticky situation if your phone's flat and you need your phone charging. Okay, the specification, it's 1000 lumens. That's pretty bright for a lantern, so you don't want to actually look direct into the light, as the LED light at that bright can actually sort of give you a bit of like an archive if you've been welding. It's a bit bright. It runs for 6 to 7 hours. It's got 4 different light settings. It's got the carrying handle at the top, and on the bottom it has like a little clip, carabiner clip type thing that you can hang up in your tent. A lot of tents have hoops on the top. You can clip that on and hang it on the roof of your tent or your air shelter. The one thing I'm slightly disappointed is, as it's an outdoor product for camping etc, is it's not waterproof. So it says do not expose to water or rain. Obviously it's not waterproof then, which I think is a pity for outdoors. If you're sat in the garden or out in your campsite in the middle of the table and it's raining, it's not waterproof, but ideal for hanging up in the tent. The 4 different light settings are 300 lumens, which is the lowest one. That should give you around 7 hours of runtime. 700 lumens, which will give you 3.5 hours, and 1000 lumens at 2.5 hours if the battery's fully charged and at the right temperature. It will also flash. Not quite sure why you want it to flash, but nevertheless it flashes. So let's turn it on and we can see what it looks like. And if you press it again, it changes its setting and it goes into its flash mode. So you just cycle through, press it again, and it turns off. And that's about it really. Nothing more I can say to that. It does what it says on the tin, lights the inside of your tent up. Okay, thank you.